Time to give an update on the RS660. Now that we're at 8,217 miles. First up, let's just, that's why everyone's here. Is when you hear sound clips of the AliExpress exhaust. So let's go to some clips and then I'll come back and tell you what's going on with it. Yes, I added underglow. Had to, man. This thing's too fun to not do it. But anyway, don't have much lights in here. I should have been more prepared. So, 660. I'm at 8,000 miles. The only problem I have is it's doing the fuel tank thing still. I haven't taken it for warranty yet. Basically, if you have, right now I have a full tank of gas, but if you have anything over, like, I don't know, over half a tank, when it gets hot, it just sits there and it just leaks out the bottom. Not even hot, just all the time. Just builds pressure. So, the hack is just keep it open while it's parked. So that's what I've been doing. So that's the only problem I've had. Nothing to do warranty for that. I ride my bike so much. I don't want to be without it. I forget what they call this thing. The shifter stabilizer? I don't remember. This guy. Still working great. I hardly ever go into like false neutrals or misshift into neutral. I used to do it pretty often. Now I never do it. Does a lot. This kept coming off. So I know Aprilia now makes a better part for this. If I just put a bolt through with a nut, it does. Oh, I might have to tighten it. But I can't get it off. But it still moves. I just didn't notice that. That sucks. But, I mean, it can't come off. Like, I'm moving the whole freaking bike trying. So it just moves. I wouldn't worry about it. What else? Oh, the AliExpress rear, whatever the heck you call it. I'm a big fan of it. I really want to paint it the same yellow as the bike, but I've been having a hard time finding it. I was going to just add like red stripes to it up here, but I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But I love this one versus the other ones because you keep these fins here. I love these little fins. And my blinkers are down here right now. And I'm thinking about moving them to in here. I think that would be kind of cool. So, just have it hooked up to the top up here and shine down. Then it'll be black this side, but here it would light up where I can even put that, say plexiglass so the whole thing lights up. I don't know. That's what I'm leaning towards right now. I think that would be really cool. And then I can have my rear pegs back if I want to take my lady for a little cruise. What else is different? Oh, my tires. Oh, the tires. These are still the factory tires. I haven't updated them, changed them, or nothing yet. Fronts are really good shape. They're not even close to the wear bars yet. No. I guess they're a little close. Here, nope. Really good shape. Rears. Rears are getting pretty low. I mean, they're worn pretty well. But like right here, see, it's past the wear bar. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. It's past the wear bar on most of it. Here it's okay, like above it, but these are all, they're in the center, they're to it. So, I mean, 8,000 miles on these, that's pretty damn impressive. A lot of people are getting like 3, 4 out of them, so I've doubled it. Chain's in good shape. Real clean. I cleaned it off, though. Oh, that's about it. I don't think there's anything else new to really talk about. You heard the clips. I just realized how dirty my... Jeez. Yep. Love the bike still. I'm still leaning on towards getting a V2. V2 is going to be my next bike for sure. I mean, or maybe a 959, white with the red wheels. This bike, I spent, a little over 15 for when I bought it. And I'm not going to lose my ass on it, so I'm not going to let it go for free, People are, I have it up for sale for 12. I know that's a lot with my miles. Ideally, 10 is what I'd like to get for it. But, they just aren't worth 10. They aren't holding their values. I'm probably going to be stuck with it, and that's fine. This is almost paid off. I had to put a loan on it. I think I owe $3,000 on it now. So, I mean, at this point, I'll just keep riding it, enjoying it. The V2, I'm finding some deals out there for like 14, 15,000. That's ideally what I'd like to pay. But those are all private party. If I can find one like a dealership for that, maybe I'll end up trading this in on it. But I'm not losing my ass. This bike is too amazing to be doing any of that. I'll just ride it. Next oil change, I do it every 3,000. So another 1,000 will be oil change time again. And when that happens, I'm gonna wrap these in carbon fiber, like a matte carbon. I have it right over there. Over there. But that's the update. Still no tune. I'm gonna get the gas tank fixed, and then I'll probably do that. My warranty will be up soon anyway. But yeah, have any questions, comment. Blurred Designs is my name on IG, or just hit me up on here. See, that's all the tires did. Quick update. Got a little hole. Not sure what went in there. That's the end of these tires. Right at 8,300 miles. That's pretty good, right?